Aliw Broadcasting Corporation humakot ng parangal sa World Class Global Awards 2024. Narito ang isang special report.
Muling humakot ng panibagong parangal ang Aliw Broadcasting Corporation sa World Class Global Awards 2024 na ginanap sa City of Dreams sa Parañaque City. Nasungkit ng Aliw Channel 23 ang Outstanding Emerging Television Network, habang Outstanding News and Public Affairs Radio Station ang DWIC 882. Nakuha rin ng Business Mirror ang Outstanding Business Newspaper of the Year. Personal na iginawad ang parangal kay ALC Group of Companies Chairman at ama ng Aliw Broadcasting Corporation na si Boss D. Edgar A. Cabangon, kasama si Attorney Macnil Rante, Executive Vice President, General Manager ng ABC. Laking pasasalamat ng pamunuan ng ABC sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa Aliw Channel 23 at DWIC. Kaya naman, tiniyak ng Broadcasting Corporation na hindi magsasawa ang kumpanya na maghatid ng impormasyon at magbigay ng serbisyo para sa mga Pilipino.
This is truly an inspiration to all of us, the ALC Media Group, to work hard and to bring to the Filipino people good, right news and information in our various platforms. As you know, ito po ang mga platforms namin: Aliw 23, Free TV, Business Mirror, Print, DWIZ 882, AM radio station. Maraming salamat po.
Bukod dito, kinilala rin bilang world-class entrepreneurial excellence in diverse industries si ALC founder Boss Cabangon. Sa kanyang acceptance speech, ibinahagi ng ama ng Broadcasting Corporation na inaalay niya ang kanyang award sa kanyang namayapang ama na si Ambassador Antonio Cabangon Chua, ang founder ng ALC Group of Companies.
To the World Class Global Awards, I dedicate this award to the founder, my dad, the late Ambassador Antonio Cabangon Chua. Thank you muli.
Pinangaralan din ng dalawang anchor ng DWIC mula sa programang Pilipinas Ngayon na pinagbibidahan ni Nerlisa Lady Eliza Rivera at Yusek Robert Rivera. Nasungkit ng dalawang anchor ang Beacon and Herald of Hope Award at Ambassador of Hope and Good News Award. Bukod dito, kinilala rin bilang Most Trusted Social Media Online Teleradyo Show ang programang Pilipinas Ngayon na.
I'd like to thank World Class Global Awards for the Triple Awards for Team Pilipinas Ngayon na. And of course, we'd like to thank Aliw Channel 23 and also DWIC 882 and all social media, because they are our inspiration and they are the reason why we're getting all these awards. So we offer all these awards to our entire Aliw Broadcasting Corporation and DWIC 882 family, and of course, to God be the highest glory.
Once again, we would like to thank the good Lord up above for this distinguished awards. Actually, triple awards. And we dedicate this not only to the men and women behind Aliw Broadcasting and DWIC, and of course, my home base, RPN9, for all their support.
Iginagawad ng World Class Global Council ang parangal sa mga kumpanya o sa isang individual dahil sa kontribusyon at serbisyo na ibinibigay para sa mga Pilipino. Ako si Patrol 38 Jen Patrolya nag-uulata sa himpilang may todong lakas DWIC, nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.